What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. This your boy Tank be chopping, back with another video. And on this video, we gonna be unboxing the new Babyliss Pro and Tomb45 clipper and trimmer. Let's get it. All right, man, so as y'all can see, we got the new Babyliss Pro and Tomb45 clipper and trimmer in this box. I just received it earlier today, so I wanted to come home and do this video for y'all. So I'm gonna try to upload this as soon as I possibly can, right? But nonetheless, man, this is the box that it came in. Actually, it came in another box that had like green and black, like streamers and confetti type stuff in it. But I took that out, you know what I'm saying? And I just brought this box home for the video. But nonetheless, this is the box that they send the clipper in. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for y'all. Oh, check it out, man. All right, so check it out, man. This is the box that the trimmer, the clipper and trimmer come in. I don't know if y'all can see everything, but nonetheless, man, let me give y'all a closer look at this box, at this presentation of the clippers. As you can see, we have these, you know, these little cards in here, the clipper, the trimmer, hat. But we're gonna get to that here right now. But I just wanna show y'all the top of the box. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it says Babyliss Pro and Tomb45, two innovators, one mission, redefining the industry. New features and benefits. New battery level LED indicator screen, new reverse blade orientation and MIMT blade, new rubber grip and secure finger grooves, new DS1 dual speed motor, 7,500 RPMs and 6,800 RPMs, new wireless charging compatible. So that's what the box is up here at the top. But let's get into opening and see what comes in this. So nonetheless, first things first, as you can see, I got box number 4. Shout out to Babyliss Pro and Tomb45, man. I greatly appreciate y'all. I got box number 4 out of, I think they're doing 50 of these boxes. Check this out. You're holding box 4 of 50. Each box represents a step in this exciting launch story, and you're among the first to experience it. Thank you for unboxing with us and being a part of something so special. We're excited to have you with us on this journey. Once again, man, shout out Babyliss Pro and Tomb45. And then they send you this in here. It says, Babyliss Pro, Tomb45, 2 forces, 1 mission. It's like a little, I don't know what you would call it, but it shows the new tools they got coming out. The clipper, the trimmer, the charging pad, and the new blow dryer, hair dryer that they got coming out soon. So they send us that, and then they also send you, so like, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't know if y'all can tell, but the clipper and the trimmer aren't in here. And the reason why they're not in here is I got them right here. You know how your boy does it, man. Your boy likes to put this stuff to use for a little bit. So I took them out as soon as I got this box. I wanted to start getting some content, but just so y'all know, this video, y'all not gonna see me using the tools. It's just strictly an unboxing of this. But let's get back into that, man. So check it out. As you can see, we have the boxes that have the trimmer. This is the box for the trimmer, and we'll go over this here in a minute. But this is the box for the trimmer. Make sure nothing falls out of there. And then this is the box for the clipper right here. And then we still got some more goodies inside of this box. I don't know if you can see that, but we get the Babyliss Pro and Tomb45 hat that I know y'all probably seen Bosshill rocking this. So we get the Tomb45 and Babyliss Pro hat. We also get some hair grippers. Man, they hook your boy up. We get a Tomb45 pin, a Babyliss Pro brush. I think this is the clay, y'all. We get some Tomb45 indestructible clay. And then we also get, is this the clipper koozie? And then we also get a clipper and trimmer pouch. I get not just 1, but 2 wireless charging pads. And once again, we're gonna go over all of that here in a minute. We get a professional texturizing comb. I don't know if you can see it due to the glare, but let's put that to the side. We also get the Barberology combs. And then we also get a Babyliss Pro hair cutting cape. So let's put that to the side. I want y'all to see this box, man. Like, they put a lot of work into just working on this box, man. Like, check out all the details inside. They got the clipper, the trimmer in there. You know what I'm saying? Like just some of the stuff that comes on the clipper, they displayed it on this box, but we're gonna put some of this stuff back in this box and then we're gonna actually get to unboxing the clipper and the trimmer. So first thing is first, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the clipper and the trimmer. So check it out. Here are the Tomb45 Babyliss Pro clipper and trimmer. This is the clipper, this is the trimmer. This is, I guess, the front or the back, however you wanna see it, right? But check it out. That is the clipper and trimmer. And we're gonna talk about this, you know, inverted MIM blade here in a minute. But yeah, that's the clipper and the trimmer as y'all can see. Check it out one more time. But let's go ahead and get into unboxing the rest of the trimmer box. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. All I did was take this out and I started using it. So once again, man, here is the trimmer. As you can see, it does have an inverted blade. And the reason why for that is I'm gonna show y'all here. So check it out. If this was my station right here, right? And I have my trimmer down like that, like if I have it charging on the charging pad this way, when I pick it up, turn it on, and boom, I can start lining up. So that's the reason for them doing the trimmer blade inverted, you know what I'm saying? So I think that's a pretty good idea. We're gonna see how, you know, I get used to that here in these next couple days, next couple weeks before I actually give y'all a review. But I think that's pretty dope, right? So all in all, man, I just gotta be honest with y'all. I'm liking the ergonomics of the trimmer. You know, I like that they have this rubber grip on here. So this is the rubber grip that they're talking about. As you can see, it's a nice looking rubber grip. We do have the thumb groove right here for you to put your thumb on. You know, obviously that leads to a better, see if we can focus, there we go. That leads to a better ergonomic, better comfortable grip when you're using the trimmer, especially when you're lining up. We got the on and off switch right here. And here is the trimmer on. And I don't know if y'all have noticed, but it does have a Tomb45 light on right there. I don't know if y'all can see it say Tomb45, but what that does is when that light is on, the trimmer is at its highest power setting. So if you wanted to turn it down and you know, bring the motor to a little slower motor, you just hold the Tomb45 button, and as you can see, the light turns off and it's lower RPMs right there. But once again, you hold it and I just turned it back up. So that's the trimmer. And then we do get the LED screen right here to show how much charge we got. I got 88% still on that. As you can see at the bottom, we do have a regular charging port and a USB-C. And then FYI, guys, I don't know if y'all know this, but these do charge on the Tomb45 wireless charging pads also. That's why they sent me the charging pad so I can put it on there also. But nonetheless, that's the trimmer. Let's go ahead and read some of the stuff on the box and then get to opening up the rest of this box so we can see what else comes inside. Wireless charging trimmer, wireless charging pad not included. The charging pad is not included. I did get it with what they sent me, but when you purchase the trimmer, it does not come with the charging pad. But it's got a new deep tooth metal injection molded T-blade for lower blade temperature, built-in oil reservoir for constant lubrication, zero gap adjustable, new reverse blade orientation, engineered for lineup. So once again, once you pick it up off the station, you're ready to go with it. You ain't got to turn it or nothing. It's just ready to go. New DS1 dual speed motor. The high speed is 7,500 RPMs. The low speed is 6,800. High capacity lithium ion battery, up to 3 hours of runtime. New battery level LED indicator screen. New compact ergonomic design. Rubber grip. Like I was talking about, that's that rubber grip, and secure finger grooves for comfort and control. Magnetic hair pocket door, so you can take this part off of the trimmer. It's the little hair pocket. Wireless charging compatible. It's not included. The charging pad isn't included, but it is wireless charging. And just FYI, if you had it on and decided to put it on the pad, it will turn the trimmer off. But you can also charge this USB-C or with the FX cord. But nonetheless, that's what the back says. Let's go ahead and open up this box so we can see what else comes in here. So that's pretty tight too. I don't know if y'all can read that in there due to the glare, but it says from imagination to reality. And it's got the, you know, some of the trimmer like blueprints and stuff in it. But let's go ahead and take this green part out of the box and see what else comes in here. All right, so for the trimmer, we do get the Babyliss Pro charging brick. We get a USB-C cord. We also get some oil and a charging, or I don't know why I said a charging brush, some oil and a cleaning brush. We get the screwdriver and the zero gap setter. and a blade cover on there. And then we also get the pamphlet and then an extra cam follower in case your trimmer does happen to get loud. But nonetheless, that's all that comes in this box, and that's perfectly fine. That's all we really need is the trimmer, a charger, and that's really it. All right, so now we're gonna move on to unboxing the rest of the clipper. Obviously the clipper was in here. I took it out because I wanted to use it. But nonetheless, here's the clipper. We do have a click lever on there, as you can see. 5 clicks. It does have a stretch lever, so the lever does open up a little wider than some of your traditional style clippers. Check it out. We got the MIM blade on there. MIM fade blade. Check that out. Once again, rubber grip in the back. For comfort, I think it feels comfortable. We got a nice thumb groove, a thumb indentation right here for you to place your thumb when you're cutting. Feels really comfortable in hand. And I know a lot of people were saying online that this looks bulky, and I want to say that it's really not that much bigger than different clippers. Like I have the Stylecraft Saber. It's about the same thickness of a Stylecraft Saber, right? I have an Andis Master. I would say it's almost the same exact size as an Andis Master. So I don't think it's too bulky. Some people might say it is, but to each his own, right? But nonetheless, that's the clipper. As you can see, we have the on and off switch right here. That is the clipper on full speed. Once again, we got the Tomb45 button. If you hold it, it slows down the motor to 6,800 RPMs. But if you press it, if you hold it, I'm sorry, you can turn it back up to 7,500 RPMs. We get the LED indicator screen right there. We're on what, 56%. And then once again at the bottom, as you can see, we have the Babyliss Pro charging port, USB-C charging. And once again, this also is compatible with the charging pad. You can't place it on the charging pad for it to charge. But let's get to unboxing the rest of the stuff that comes in here. I did open this up because I needed the guards. And I know y'all can get mad at me in a minute. I actually forgot the guards at the barbershop. Once again, this isn't a review. I'm just showing y'all what comes. It's just an unboxing video, and I do want to apologize for not bringing the guards home. I was literally on my way home, and I was like, I have my son in the car with me, and I was like, man. He's like, what happened, Daddy? And I was like, I left my guards at the barbershop, and you know, he's a little kid. He's like, oh, well, you can go pick them up tomorrow, which I could, but I'm trying to do this video now, that way I can post this for y'all sooner. So I apologize for not having the guards. That's my bad. Don't be mad at me. We'll do a video on the guards later on. But let's go ahead and read some of the stuff on the back of this box. Wireless charging clipper. Once again, the wireless charging pad is not included. Black titanium, MIM fade blade, acute cutting blade, provides ultra precise cuts, reduced contact area, maintains lower blade temperature, built-in oil reservoirs, 5-position locking stretch taper lever. So once again, that means the lever has 5 clicks and it opens up longer than traditional style levers. New DS1 dual speed motor. High speed is 7,500 RPMs. Low speed is 6,800 RPMs. New dual high capacity lithium ion battery for up to 4 hours of runtime. Battery level LED indicator screen. Compact ergonomic design. Rubber grip and secure finger grooves for comfort and control. New wireless charging compatible. Once again, the pad is not included. But yeah, that's what the box says. And check it out, man. That box looks nice too. That's the clipper right here, as y'all can see. Once again, man, shout out to Babyliss Pro and Tomb45, man. Tomb45 been putting in work, man. They've been getting it, man. You can't really even knock them for doing all that. But check it out. This is the inside of the box. Once again, I'm not sure if y'all can 100% see due to the glare. But let's take this out so we can see what else comes in here. Once again, you would get a set of guards, and the guards that it come with is the 0.5, the 1, the 1.5, the 2, the 3, and the 4. So you get 6 guards with this clipper. But let's see what else comes in here. We do get the charging brick along with the charging cord. We get a screwdriver, oil, cleaning brush. We get a blade cover. I was trying to remember how you say that, but yeah, blade cover. We get a cam follower, and then we also get the manual that, you know, I really ain't gonna look at. But let's put that back in the box. And once again, you do get the guards. I apologize for not bringing the guards home. Y'all gonna be mad at me, but I'm sure y'all get over it. And like I said, I'll do another video just going over the guards, but we're gonna go ahead and put this back in there. Check it out, man. Once again, clipper and trimmer. Well, let me hold it this way so it looks, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people are asking why is the blade reversed, and if y'all gonna see a little bit of hair on it, obviously your boy's been using it, but nonetheless, man, check it out. And it looks reversed because once again, guys, they did do the inverted blade on the trimmer for you just to pick it up, turn it on, and edge up, right? So that's the reason for that. But back to showing y'all the clipper and trimmer. Here's the back, side by side, front angle, other side, back. Y'all know what it is, man. Once again, shout out Babyliss Pro, shout out Tomb45, man. The whole Tomb45, man, y'all putting in work, y'all putting on for the industry, y'all putting on for the community, and us barbers really appreciate it, man. So check it out. That's the clipper and trimmer. And then what we're gonna do real quick is I'm gonna show y'all the charging pad. I haven't used this charging pad. Last charging pads I had were the older model charging pads, but I'm gonna go ahead and run this back to the shop after this video. Well, not tonight, probably tomorrow, and I'm gonna leave these on my station because, you know, I'm gonna keep using these. That way I can come out with a review for y'all and a couple of haircut tutorials using these clippers, guards, and trimmers. But check it out. Here is the new Babyliss Pro and Tomb45 charging pad. Wireless charging pad, clipper and trimmer not included. USB-C cord compatible, not included. Compatible with Babyliss Pro Tomb45 clipper. The tool automatically turns off when placed on charging pad. LED rim indicates charging is active. So when you put this on the mat, if the mat doesn't turn on, then it's not charging. So, you know, just some FYI for y'all. And yeah, man, that's that. Let's go ahead and get this out of here so we can see it. All right, so you do get the manual for the charging pad. And then obviously you get the charging pad. So let me get that out of here. But check it out, man. Here is the charging pad, and it feels different than the old pads. I like it, man. I'm gonna have to give y'all a video of this, also an updated video of using the Tomb45 Babyliss Pro charging pad. I don't know if y'all can see it up here. It says Babyliss Pro and Tomb45, but it's in black. Once again, but that's the charging pad. Once again, man, shout out Tomb45, shout out Babyliss, man. I greatly appreciate y'all for sending me this care package. You know what I'm saying? You know how your boy does it, man. When I get these tools, I try to come out with these videos as soon as I can. That way, the viewers, the barbers who are interested in these types of tools can kind of get a closer look without actually purchasing it. So that's the whole point of me doing these unboxings. But man, check it out. Clipper and trimmer, once again. But yeah, man, that's that. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. Once again, I will be giving y'all a review later on. I will be comparing it to the prototypes because I did get the prototypes a couple months back, and I'm going to do a comparison and show y'all some of the things that they changed later on, right? So y'all make sure to subscribe to the channel so y'all can see that video when it drops. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go. Yeah.